Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'm doing an out of the pack pick and I'm trying to speed pick this nice 65-15. So, well, let's open the pack. Let's see what we got. Saying I'm actually holding the record for the 65-15 with 0.7 seconds. And I believe this might be a contender for that time. So you got this beautiful 65-15 lock. I love the shackle. So let's get the key. See if it works. Does work beautifully. I'm gonna put it in the vise so you can see the shackle when it pops, and it's better for timing. You can see the shackle. Alright. So use the key before you speed pick it. First attempt only will be a regular pick, just to feel it. What's going on in here? We got a 3-pin lock. And I'm going to use, let me see what I use for tensioning for this one. Probably something tiny. Not too big. So out of the pack, still too big. Where's my other? I got one I kind of cut off a little. Sorry guys, still looking. Well, that's great. Not seeing it. Is it? No, it's not. Alright. Anyways, let's pick it not optimal way. Ah, that doesn't work for me. Come on. That's not good. That's not good. Probably will not be a speed pick. Just saw the bidding. Bidding is 1 and 2. Oh no, 1 is 0 lift, 2 and 3 you have to set. So yeah, this will be not a good lock for speed picking. But let's pick it anyways. If I could find my other pick, I like to use for this one. Not my pick, I'm sorry, my tensioning tool. Great. I need something. That's not optimal here. Sorry guys. Kind of sucks right now for me. Sometimes it's hard to even get in the keyway. 1, 2. What is going on in this lock? I can't seem to get it open. But it's usually not that hard, so come on. I'm not happy with my tensioning right now, to be honest. Desperate times, desperate measures, you know what I mean. It doesn't work either. I'm really looking for my damn tensioning tool I always use for this kind of locks. And there it is. Found it. Alright, so let's go to the back. And we open. So as you can see, it's all about the tensioning. But it's not a contender for speed picking. That was a 6515 with an interesting fitting actually. Hope it didn't take too long for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.